Wildfire, we are moving up the road towards a town to the east. Confirm you have a visual on us.
Got eyes on friendlies. Crew, do not fire on any target marked by a strobe. Those are friendlies.
TV, confirm you see the church in the town.
We see it. Start the clock. Roger that. We're there. Start talking.
You are not authorized to level the church. Do not fire directly on the church.
Got a vehicle moving now. One of the vehicles is moving right now.
Personnel coming out of the church.
We have armed personnel approaching from the church. Request permission to engage.
Copy. You are cleared to engage the moving vehicle and any personnel around you see.
Affirmative. Crew, you are cleared to engage, but do not fire on the church.
Oh! Hot damn!
Get that guy. There's armed personnel running out of the church.
Recalibrate out on the sweep angle, adjust elevation scan.
Kaboom. Right there. Tracking. Tracking. You got him. We got a runner here. Cleared to engage enemy personnel. Light him up. Yeah, take him out. Okay, he's moving again. You gonna get him? Personnel right there. Nail those guys.
Cleared to engage all of those.
We got a runner here.
Cleared to engage all of those.
Nail those guys. That's a hit. Right there. Tracking. Personnel right there. We got a vehicle on the move. Good kill. Good kill.
Target reset.
Gun ready!
Enemy personnel on the road. Check your fire. You're shooting at friendlies. Watch for the blinking strobes. Those are our guys.
Wildfire, this is Bravo 6. Be advised, we're passing a large church and continuing towards the main highway. Keep up the fire. Bravo 6 out.
Roger that. Engage anything without a flashing strobe light. Those are all hostiles.
Direct hit.
You are cleared to engage the moving vehicle. Set scan range.
Enemy personnel on the road. Yeah, take them out.
Shot!
Clean up that signal.
Gun ready!
Enemies crossing the field.
Set scan range. Clean up that signal.
Okay, he's moving again. Kaboom. More enemy personnel. Tracking. You gonna get him?
Oh, that's gotta hurt.
Yep, that was right on target. Yeah, good kill. I see lots of little pieces down there. That's a hit.
Target reset. Recalibrate out on the sweep angle, adjust elevation scan.
You gonna get him? Enemies crossing the field. Yep, that was right on target. Okay, you got him. Get back on the other guys. Get that guy.
Rolling in.
More enemy personnel. Nail those guys. Okay, he's moving again. Roger, guy moving. We got a moving vehicle here. Negative, negative. Do not engage. I repeat, do not engage any vehicles on the main highway.
Wildfire, we're going to commandeer civilian transports on the main highway. Cover us.
Crew, do not engage any vehicles traveling on the highway. Those are civilians. Ground units are requiring alternate transport at this time. Do not engage any vehicles on the highway unless cleared to do so.
Bet that guy's pissed. That's a nice truck.
Nah, he's scared shitless.
Wildfire, we're marking the vehicles. Confirm you see the beacons.
Roger, we see the beacons. Crew, do not fire on the vehicles marked with the flashing beacons. I repeat, do not fire on the vehicles with the flashing beacons. Those are friendlies.
Heads up. Hostile forces are setting up ambush points along the curved road.
Navigation, which one's the curved road? Over.
Fire control. Do you see the water tower? Over.
TV, confirm you see the water tower.
You talking about the water tower near the intersection? Roger. That's the one. And next to that water tower is a curved road. Do you see that?
Roger that.
Track that road into the next village. You should be able to see another water tower in the village further down that road.
We're having a bit of trouble acquiring the village. How far up the road is it?
Approximately, hang on. It's about 2 clicks along the curved road going away from the highway. Yeah, roger that. We're banking towards the village. Stand by to engage ground targets. We got hostiles setting up along the curved road.
Hostiles preparing to ambush along the curved road. They're partially concealed by the trees.
Whoa! Someone just fired an RPG!
Roger that. Crew, go ahead and take out everything in that village. Armored vehicle right there coming out of the barn.
Targets in the village are confirmed as hostile. Cleared to engage. Smoke them.
Wildfire, we're under attack. We could use some help here.
Crew, track those smoke trails and take them out at the source. Clear a path for our guys.
Personnel on the roof of that U-shaped building.
U-shaped building?
Roger. The one with the square structure on the roof? It's the one with the flat roof. Rolling in. Hot damn!
Yeah, direct hit's right there. Whoa! You got him. Get that guy. You gonna get him?
Yeah, clear to engage.
Okay, he's moving again. Good kill, good kill. Alright, you got the guy. I might have been within 2 feet of him. Nail those guys. You got him. Nail those guys by the building. Yeah, take him out. Light him up. Nice.
Clean up that signal.
There's a guy by that car.
Recalibrate out on the sweep angle, adjust elevation scan. Target reset. Set scan range.
Wildfire, we're approaching the LZ at the junkyard and leaving the vehicles.
Roger that, Bravo 6. Crew friendlies are leaving the vehicles and moving on foot towards the LZ. Do not fire on any personnel marked by a flashing strobe. Affirmative. Keep watching for those strobe lights. Those are friendlies.
Enemy personnel in the junkyard.
Crew, go ahead and smoke them. Man, these guys are going to town. You got them. Whoa!
Copy. Smoke them.
Right there. Tracking. Guy running. Tracking. There's a guy by that car. Roger, guy moving. We got a runner here. That's a hit. Nail those guys by the building. Get back on those guys. Yeah, good kill. I see lots of little pieces down there. Direct hit. Yep, that was right on target.
Target reset.
We got a runner here. Kaboom.
Gun ready!
Nail those guys by the building.
Copy. Smoke them.
There's a guy by that car. Get that person.
Set scan range.
Wildfire, we've reached the LZ, but we're taking fire from all sides. Request fire support on all sides of the LZ. Danger close.
Enemy personnel closing on the LZ from multiple sides. Danger close. Recommend you stick to the 25mm in the vicinity of the LZ.
Direct hit. You got him. Okay, you got him. Get back on the other guys. Yeah, take him out. Crew, be advised. Friendly helicopters entering the area. Watch your fire. Copy. Close to the friendlies. I repeat, you're firing too close to the friendlies. Watch for those IR strobes.
Wildfire, we're moving towards the helicopters now. Thanks for the assist. Bravo 6 out.
This is gonna be one hell of a highlight reel.
Yeah, I heard that. Crew, VIP is secure and in custody. Good job, everyone. Roger that. Returning to base.